Hi everybody, welcome back. It is that time once again to open up one of my absolute favorite subscription services on the planet. It's time to unbag FaceTory. So if you're new or unfamiliar, FaceTory is a mask subscription service. There's 3 different types of kits that you can get each month. I will have all of those listed down below for you, as well as a link to FaceTory's website so that you can choose the kit that would best suit you, and that'll link you straight to it. Again, not an affiliate link, nothing like that, just for your convenience. And what I have here, this is called the Forever Fresh Kit. This is going to come with 4 sheet masks. FaceTory is a Korean skincare, Korean beauty brand, or I guess kind of subscription service we would call it. They do have their own in-house brand, but the other brands that they bring to you are usually Korean beauty, Korean skincare. They're absolutely amazing. I love them so much. So usually what I start off with is what did I get used up last month and what I have now. Well, last month I was kind of late with bringing you FaceTory. So I only got one of the masks used, and it was the Dear Avocado, the one with the potion of mango, banana, and everything else. And it was a fantastic mask. It was absolutely amazing. It soaked in. It was so lovely. Of course, I posted a picture on Instagram. And if you're ever curious on how the masks fit on the face, anytime I wear one, I do always post them over to my Instagram. So you can go check those out there. But without any further ado, let's see what we got this month. So this one says here, thank you, FaceTory fam. Such a cute little postcard that they throw in here. Got a little birthday cake on it. Now, I do believe, if I'm not mistaken, I think November, December is FaceTory's anniversary. Yes, it's November. It's their anniversary. So that's when they came into existence and put out their first one. And I've been with FaceTory for a long time now. I believe that I jumped on to their subscription. I want to say it was like March, or the following March, or April, or May. Of their first year in business, and I've been with them ever since, and it's a phenomenal service. I absolutely adore it. So happy birthday, FaceTory. Congratulations. Hold on, the card's gonna tell me this is year number 3. Here's to many more years to come. So in here, of course, you're going to have your little card, which is amazing because it contains all of the details on the masks that they sent you. And then here we have our masks. So let's see what we got this month. So the first one we have here is coming from FaceTory's own, and this one is called the Everyday Almond. It's nuts for you. Oh my gosh, that's so freaking cute. This is a skin strengthening mask. Treat your skin to a strengthening mask with sweet almond oil. Next up here we have, this one is coming to us from, this is a No HJ. I love their masks, and they usually do these really cutesy kind of masks. This one is kind of a more sheer mask, has like the little gold foiled floral design on it. This is the Herbs Fit Sheet with Hortensia. Now, I've had the other Herbs Fit Sheet mask before, but this is the first time with Hortensia. A moisturizing sheet mask packed with herbal extracts and botanical essence to help your skin feel refreshed and hydrated. Next up, this one is coming to us from Farm Skin, and this is the Fresh Food for Skin Sheet Mask in cranberry. So it's perfect for the holiday season, and this one is supposed to be plumping. Feel revitalized with this sheet mask packed with skin-saving ingredients that soothe and protect. And our last one, this one is coming to us from Nature. This is the Charcoal Purifying Black Sheet Mask to exfoliate, purify, and hydrate. Ooh, I like these black charcoal masks also because they fit so darn good. I mean, they're just like gloves, second skin to to your face. So I'm really excited to give this one a try. A charcoal sheet mask packed with ingredients that help clarify and exfoliate. So that is it. That is everything that came in the FaceTory Forever Fresh Kit this month. Of course, as always, I'm so excited to give these masks a try. I love to take my Sundays, and those are kind of my self-care Sundays, my Sunday fun days, my pamper myself Sundays. Past couple of Sundays have been kind of out of my normal realm of way I treat myself, so I've been kind of busy and have had like commitments, so I wasn't able to like sit back, relax, and soak it all in, but that's okay. I think I'm pretty good to go. Definitely going to be enjoying these guys here real soon. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly do appreciate it. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.